All right, so Arctic Air has a new product. It's called the Arctic Air Grip Pro. Stay cool and comfortable anywhere. And apparently it's got some kind of clamp on it, and we're gonna check it out. We just got it. I'll just show you the box so you guys can see what it's saying on it. And let's go ahead and just unbox this bad boy and see what's in here. All right? I mean, you want to keep cool this summer, right? Okay, so far so good. Let's see what we get. It says it comes with its... All right, there we go. This is it, it's one piece. So when you rip it out, it just comes right out, and let's get this off of it. Such a waste of plastic. All right, here it is, look at it. So it's got this giant clamp on it. Wow, and it's strong. Oh my God. This thing is really strong. So that's, I got, and yeah. So I think we have to charge it. Oh, here's the charge port, USB-C. Here's the information on it. Tells you the model and all that stuff. And I do believe it's got batteries in here? Or no, or do you put water in there? I think maybe, I don't think you put water in it, but we may have to read up on it. And this is the on button here, I do believe. Let's see if it's got a charge. Ooh, there it goes. It's blowing cold air. Feels pretty good. This kind of swivels, so you can change the direction of it. You follows me? And then you can just put it right on your desk if you want. So we're gonna try that, see how it works. I've got a desk right here. So let's see, I gotta smush this down hard. Oh my God, I can barely, my thumb's caught in it. Shit. All right, hang on. All right, let's see if I can get it on here. Oh yeah, got it on there. All right, now this is the cool thing about it. Look, you can redirect it right at yourself. So if you're hot, you know, I'm sitting here having my coffee, right? And check it out. Is that my coffee over there? There it is. I'm just sitting here enjoying myself, getting Arctic aired right here. So that's pretty cool. I like it. As a matter of fact, it's freezing. I'm cold. Okay, so you can press this, and it should turn it off. Oh no, it changes the mode. So I think I got to do it a couple times. So it goes. So you got different speeds. There's off. All right, so on is, it comes on full. That's the strongest. Then I go here to make it lower, here to make it lower, and then here to turn it off. Let's turn it back on for a second. Over here, I don't know what this is, but it does. Oh, look, you can change the colors. On the side, there's a little button, so that changes the colors. That's a feature that they put in all their things. All right. This, it comes with this. It's a USB-C. You need your own block. I have blocks over here that I just plug it into because I've got USB-C, so I can charge it there. And the charging port, I think we did show you, was on the back here, right there. We already got that. Let's go ahead and turn it off for a second. All right, now to get it off, you got to squeeze her really tight, pull it off. And this thing's really strong, so be careful, don't smush it. Now, to put water in it, you pop this, and apparently you put water in here, down in here, and that gives you a mist on it, which is kind of weird. I mean, because if you turn it, isn't it going to leak? I don't know. That doesn't make any sense to me. But, I mean, there's the port where you charge it right there. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill this with a little cold water. Not a lot. And then I can turn this like that. And I can go ahead and just pour it in there. You see how this has the little pour things on it? Hopefully I won't get any. Let me pour a little out because I did a little bit too much. So I'm just going to pour it right in there. I think that should be enough. I could put a little more in. Let me just get a little bit more here. I think that'll work right there, right? Let's go ahead and get that in there. So I'm being very careful with it. Okay, so now we just got to close the door. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it back on. It's looking good, right? You can change the colors just by pressing this button right here. So this thing changes right here, you see? This there? There's blue, purple, purple, green, green, blue. I like this softer blue. I think that looks cool. And you can also, you know, move it up and down like that. It also moves this way. It doesn't go all the way. It stops, and then it stops here. So you've got this rotation that you have on it. That's the most that it does. And this rotates up. I don't know if it's going to leak or not. It doesn't seem to. Look. So the water's not leaking out. It looks good. And again, this is your port for your charge. And here is your door that you open up, which I kind of showed you guys. It opens like this. And then you can pour the water in. Take a look in there. It's all blue. And then I guess this has a seal on it right here. You see that rubber? It goes all the way around. That keeps the water from leaking out once you snapped it closed like that. So that's good. And this is got a little plug there. But yeah, not bad, huh? I think it's a good little product. So if you like this product, check out all my other awesome videos on Arctic Care. I've got a bunch of them on all the different things that they have. But anyway, this does move around and you can change the direction, and that's pretty cool. All right, peace out.